Good evening, bargainers. And today, I save you some money. So what I have for you today is a delight, it's a treat, it's revolutionary. It's a mini smart projector. Now, this odd shaped looking guy is indeed revolutionary. It's the first of its kind in this design. And trust me, it is magnificent. So, let me not keep you waiting any longer. Without further ado, let's move on to the unboxing. So let's go ahead and move on towards the unboxing. Okay, I'm just gonna put everything in here. First off, we have the projector in itself, and it is just beautiful. Let's just set this aside. Let's see if I can stand it. There you go, perfect. Okay. And now the box. I love these boxes, the box of goodies, what I call them. We have a charging cable, power output, USB, instruction manual, the stand, and power supply. Second box of goodies. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. It's a nice little carry case. Pretty thoughtful. See if it fits. Oh, I'm hoping. Oh. Yeah, you just saw that. That's correct. It just did that. Perfect. And last box of goodies. Remote control. You can never go wrong with a remote control. Move everything to the side. And now let's move back to this beautiful, beautiful projector over here. Let's put this right here on the bottom. There's a nice little, screw in right here, so you can screw in the stand. And I'm guessing you can also put it on a tripod if need be. Let's go ahead and move right here. Go ahead. I'm going to give you a moment to bask in the glory of the K5 Smart Projector. First, we'll take a look at the lens, bringing you 1080p resolution, 90-degree rotation, and limitless focusing. So you're not bound to small spaces. The further out you go, the more you can focus it, just so you can have that perfect, crystal clear picture. So let's go ahead and rotate her up so we can work down the spine. First, we have over here the reset hole, just in case you need to reset the device for any reason. You have the infrared here in the bottom for your remote control or anything else that uses infrared. You have the micro USB, 3.5 millimeter audio output, USB 2.0, and of course the power port. Last but not least, the speakers. Now these speakers, believe it or not, you really won't need audio output because these speakers are extremely powerful, and it's kind of hard to believe that this little device, this little projector, is so powerful. At first, I thought it was a thermos, but it lives up to its name, the K5. So now let's put this back here. and move on to the back. What we have right here is a TF card port, indication light, and of course the same buttons that you would find on the remote control, just in case if you were to lose the remote control, you're not, all hope isn't lost. You still have the option of using the remote off of the projector itself. You have the back button, the OK button, up, down, left, right, and power button. Now, you're probably asking, bargain guy, how much does this go for? This little device that in itself is a smart TV, Android device that's capable of working with both Androids and iOS, has its own Wi-Fi. Basically, this is everything that you need. For $270, this is revolutionary. Now, before you lose your cool at the $270 price tag, think about this. How much would it cost you to get a smart TV? And then you have to worry about the size of the smart TV. Well, with this projector, it is its own smart TV. Limitless size. With the new focus lens, this projector can be used at any angle. So, now that we're done with the unboxing, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what this projector can do. So now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what the K5 can do. So this is basically the home screen of the projector itself. As you can see, starting off from your left, you have YouTube. You have a video option for video player. You have your option for internet browser. You have Office, file management, music player, and the option to download more apps. Now on the bottom, you have the Google Play Store, Happy Cast, which is used to mirror the screen of your iPhone. Mirror screen is used to mirror the screen of your Android device. Speed up, of course, as the name says, to speed up the device. App Manager, once you download more apps, you have you can manage your apps. And settings. Start off with YouTube. And let's do a quick YouTube search. And let's see if we can look for our favorite YouTube guy. See what comes up. I honestly wish that this remote control had a nice little keyboard off on the side, which would be awesome, which would have been awesome.
Good evening, Bart.
Oh,
and today we take a look at Tech Under 50.
You can lower the volume, and as you can tell, it is pretty loud.
And what I have for you.
So honestly, this is a nice little crystal clear image of YouTube. And of course, like I said, you're not really bound by small areas. If you, of course, pull this back a little bit, you get a bigger picture. But then I'm pretty sure, you know, you're worried that, you know, maybe my image is not going to be as crystal clear. Well, you can focus. You can manually focus the image to the point where you get that nice crystal clear picture that you're looking for. Just keep turning that manual dial around the screen until you get the nice crystal clear picture you're looking for. You can pull the projector even further away from the wall so you can get a wider picture. But of course, I recommend you have a nice white backdrop. So let's hit the home screen, or hit the home button, and we're back here. Now, go to the browser menu. Of course, just like any browser, you have Google Chrome. It is an Android, so using Google Chrome, same thing. Of course, if you had a nice little keyboard would have been awesome, but unfortunately, you have Google Play Store. Over here, you can check out some apps. And whatever, it's basically an Android tablet with a projector. So whatever you can download on your tablet, you can download on your little K5 here. But of course, it's not touchscreen. That would be awesome, but it's not. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go towards one of my favorite things about this projector. First and foremost, you want to go to settings. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Once you know that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and the little indication on the top. If you have Android, you go to mirror screen, or if you have Apple, you can go to HappyCast. Now, once you get to HappyCast, you get to the screen. Of course, it's going to ask you to update it if this is the first time you're running it. It's going to ask you to update it, so you can go ahead and update the app. Once it's updated, you'll be prompted to this screen right here. So you can go ahead, log into your phone, slide up, and hit screen mirroring. You will be greeted with the Cast W3. Give that a click, and boom, you're good to go. So hit home button, slide down, and this is what you have. Now, you can go ahead and play one of our favorite games. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick mission right here. Something small. If you guys seen my review for the gamepad controller, you will know what game this is. So there you go. And of course, the lag isn't really bad. There's a little slight lag, but nothing major. Nothing that's really game changing here. Now we can go back here and go back. Oh, I wonder if it orientates. Oh, it orientates. So that's my little game section, right, or entertainment. Everybody knows what this is, but I'm gonna lay off of it right now. So once you're done, slide up, screen mirror, and you wanna hit stop screen mirroring, and you're back here. So you're gonna hit the home screen. And of course, you'll be back to the home screen of the projector itself. This projector is hands down, it gives you way more than you bargained for, that's for sure. So, which is awesome. So as far as pricing goes, because this is up there for $270, I'm gonna have to give it 2 bargain stamps of approval out of 5. Functionality. Because this projector does way more than any other projector, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a solid 4 out of 5. Now, Looks is an easy 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval because, well, simple. This projector is revolutionary, the only one of its kind with this nice, sleek design. And of course, come on, look at it. Wouldn't you give it a 5? Now, down to durability. Well, the durability is 4 because it isn't cheap. It's not heavy and it's not light at the same time. It's just right. It's mini, and I'm pretty sure it's probably kid-proof, somewhat. So, which leaves us to a grand total of 15 bargain stamps of approval out of 20, which honestly, it's a win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, tell me what you think about the new intro and the rating system. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.